from Ivy Meow and a band called the Bloody Mallard. That's great, really fantastic name, isn't it? Really interesting. And I'll be talking a bit more about Ivy later. She's a fantastic musician, great piano player, also an author, award-winning architect. She's just everything. But we'll talk about her later when we get to play her song tonight called Something Lost. It's beautiful. But to start with, I talked about Yes. Now, yes, of course, have had a massive career going from the mid-60s right up to now. They're incredibly old men, as you'd expect, even older than me. But this first song I'm going to play is number 38 in the top 40 of Yes songs chosen by fans. This is from 1999. It's from their Ladder album, and this is Homeworld. And that was Love Will Find a Way from the Big Generator album from 1987 by Yes. It's number 32 in our countdown of the top 40 songs of Yes. Isn't that exciting? Is that exciting, Steph?
Yep.
Yes, we can hear Steph. Say hello, Steph.
Hi.
Yeah, you're definitely coming through. We've got some special guests in the studio. We have the Scouts, but she's an award-winning novelist and architect and musician. Isn't that amazing?
That's pretty cool.
It is, isn't it? And I've just lost my notes. So you lot have put me completely off my stride. Anyway, here we go. We'll talk a bit more about it after this song. But Ivy has a brand new novel coming out, and it's out on Friday. It's called Overboard, a dark, compelling, modern suspense novel. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that after we've heard her track, which is called what, Steph?
Something Lost.
This is it.
I once went home by the wrong way, not long ago, but not yesterday. If I'd known what it's gonna cost, then I'd know just what I've lost. When I was young, I didn't know it wasn't a big deal to be free. I'd never let it go. It seems so easy to be me. Something lost came back to me. A love that I forgot was free. A smile that was meant just for me. You saw what I couldn't see. My tender heart burns through the night, and somehow I can't find the light. I have a lost story that no one knew, and it will take me home to you. Something lost was found again. Something that was not in vain. A look that was just meant for me. You've seen what I couldn't see. You found what I couldn't see.
Oh, I nearly spoiled the end of Ivy's song there. I was about to interrupt. Yeah, that was great. So that's Ivy now, and that was called Something Lost. Now, Ivy's new novel comes out on Friday, and it's called Overboard. And here's the little blurb for you. Thailand, an epic storm, a shipwreck. A white man has been found alive. But who is he? Suffering horrific injuries and burns. He's taken to a local hospital. He is mute. Everything is a blank. They tell him his name. That's all he knows. When his Chinese wife arrives, he has no choice but to return to London to her family. He starts getting better with care and more surgery until one day He's assaulted and he knows why. The blow brings back a dangerous memory. Isn't that great? That sounds brilliant.
Sounds